Nestled in the rolling countryside of Kent, Scotney Castle is one of England's most picturesque National Trust properties. Surrounded by lakes, woodlands and landscaped gardens, the estate combines Victorian elegance with the romantic charm of a medieval-style castle. The present mansion was built between 1835 and 1843 for Edward Hussey III and designed by architect Anthony Salvin in the Gothic Revival style. Rather than demolishing the family's earlier residence, Hussey chose to preserve it as a romantic ruin, creating the unique landscape visitors admire today. Beside the mansion lies Scotney's celebrated walled garden, where flowers, fruit trees and seasonal plants have been cultivated for generations. Nearby stand two notable historic landmarks. Bayham Old Abbey preserves the impressive ruins of a 13th century Premonstratensian monastery, while the Dower house, Bayham Abbey, occupies part of the former abbey estate, illustrating how the religious site evolved into a country residence after the dissolution of the monasteries. About 3 kilometres from Scotney Castle stands Bayham Church, also known as Bayham l'Église. This historic church served the local community closely connected with the Bayham estate and abbey. Today, visitors can also admire the enchanting Old Scotney Castle, the moated medieval manor preserved as a romantic ruin at the heart of the estate. Together with its Victorian mansion, gardens and parkland, the National Trust's Scotney Castle remains one of England's finest examples of history, architecture and landscape brought together in a single remarkable destination.